All right, just after the highest tide of the year. 12.6.
12.6.
12.6.
Yep.
And where are we at?
Sage.
Sage Beach. Sage Rock is almost all covered in water.
Yep.
You're gonna jump off the big giant log. Here, wait. I gotta get back so I can see you, otherwise you're gonna jump out of the screen and disappear into nothing. All right, you can see the waves washing around, and is he gonna jump over? Wait till a big wave comes. There you go, jump over it.
Not big enough.
Jump over it. Well, maybe your sister should go first. You ready? Well, the tide's going out, so... Whoa, big splash. Whoa, don't roll into the water. All right, what's the day? What's today?
The 27th.
Of what?
October.
What year?
2011.
And how old are you?
10.
And how old are you?
8.
Are you really 8? And what's out there that we keep hearing? Shorebirds. But we can hardly see them. What kind are they? All right.